Do you want to study effectively? Do you want to get good marks? Then watch the video till the end. Hey, what's up you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Abhi and I'm back with another awesome video. Today we have an exciting topic that many of you can relate to. Exam preparation tips. Whether you are a student preparing for your school exams or gearing up for a professional certification, we have got to cover. These are some proven strategies that will help you succeed in your exams. This video is divided into 4 different sessions for your understanding. So watch the video till the end so that you will not miss any of these tips. Section 1. Organization and planning. The first step in acing your exam is to get organized and plan ahead. Here are some tips to get you started. The first one is setting clear goals. You need to define your exam goals. Know what you want to achieve in each of your exams and also set specific targets. In simple words, set your target score that you want to achieve and write it on a single piece of paper. And that should be like whenever you see that paper, you need to get motivation to study. And the next one, creating a study schedule. Based on the goal list that you have created, design a timetable that outlines the topics you need to cover and allocate time for each subject. Break down your study sessions into manageable sessions and try to distribute your time evenly across the subjects. Don't forget to include small breaks in between to avoid burnouts. And the next one is utilizing study apps and tools. We are living in the digital era and we are having numerous amounts of apps and tools that are available for us to study and make our journey smoother. Explore apps that offers the features like flashcards, timers and task management to enhance your productivity and keep you on track. Section 2. Effective study techniques. Now that you've organized your study plan, let's dive into effective study techniques that will help you retain information better and improve your overall understanding. The first thing that you can do is active learning and engagement. Passive reading will not help you. Engage actively with the study materials by taking notes, summarizing concepts in your own words, and asking yourself questions as you study. This active approach will reinforce your understanding and boost retention. The next one is harness the power of mnemonics. Mnemonics, acronyms and memory aids are fantastic tools to remember complex information. Create fun and memorable phrases or associations that will help you recall important details during the examination. The next one is practice with PYQs. Practice makes perfect. Previous exam papers are the valuable resources. Try to get your hands on the previous year question papers and try to attempt them under timed conditions. This exercise will familiarize you with the exam format, time management and give you a sense of types of questions you might encounter. Section 3. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle. While studying is essential, taking care of your health is equally important. Let's explore some tips on how you can maintain your healthy lifestyle while preparing for your examination. The first one is prioritize sufficient sleep. Sleep plays a significant role in memory consolidation and cognitive functions. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to keep your mind sharp and focused. The next one is fuel your brain with a balanced diet. Your brain needs proper nutrition to function optimally. Stay hydrated and limit your excess caffeine intake to avoid the energy crashes. And the next one is incorporate regular exercise. Physical activity isn't just beneficial for your body but also helps you rejuvenate your brain. It also has positive effects on your mind. Engage in regular exercise, whether it is a brisk walking, yoga or any activity that you enjoy. Exercise boosts the blood flow to the brain and reduces stress, making you more alert and ready to tackle your studies. Section 4. Managing exam stress. Let's face it, exams can be stressful, but managing the stress is the key for success. Here are some techniques that will help you cope. First one is practice breathing exercise and meditation. This simple act can calm your mind, reduce anxiety and improve focus. And the next one is embrace positive self-talk. Believe in yourself and your abilities. Replace your negative thoughts with positive affirmations. And the next tip is take breaks and avoid burnouts. It's essential to take short breaks in between your intense study sessions to improve your overall productivity. After you have watched this video, you now have the comprehensive set of exam preparation tips to guide you on your journey to success. But remember, preparation is the key to success. We hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel for the upcoming educational content. Stay curious, keep learning, and we'll catch you in the next video. Cheers!